Alright, YouTube, here we go. We're going to bust a box of Topps Triple Threads 2009 for Clyde, Junglecarp, as selected by Kobe the Wonder Dog, who seems to be able to sniff out mojo. Let's hope that he did another good job right here.
Begins this Sunday night at 8, only on AMC. Enjoy the family deals now at Subway.
Good luck, Clyde.
Choice of 2 regular 6-inch fresh value meals for only $8.99. Any 4 regular 6-inch salads for only $9.99. Or
Pack 1.
3 regular footworms for only $13.99. Every day after 4 p.m. and all day Sunday.
Alright, base cards, Jose Reyes, 525, Roy Halladay to 99, Lincecum to 1350, David Wright 1350, and CC Sabathia. I tell you, you are the freaking man, Kobe John. What's your deal, dude? How do you do that? How do you do that? Triple autograph. Scott Kazmir, Evan Longoria, David Price, 24 of 27.
Google by HTC for just $99.99. Verizon Wireless.
What does greatness taste like? Snap open a Miller Lite. You're on your way to rich golden color.
I told you that freaking dog picks the stuff, man. Get the dog on the gridiron case. Give me 10 grams for my dog. Yeah, sure enough. Here we go, back 2. Oh, that is just too funny. Alright, Lou Gehrig to 525, Liriano to 525, Cy Young to 240, Matt Cain to 1350, Mark Tejera to 1350, and Clyde, what a box for you, man. Triple Hall of Famers, Stan Musial jersey, Duke Snider bat, and Frank Robinson bat, number to 27. What a box. Great box. Good job, buddy. Good job, Kobe. Now he's licking his wiener. Sitting down on the ground licking his wiener instead of licking the box. Sweet. Very nice box. Triple Hall of Famers. And the triple auto of the Rays. Well, Kazmir's an Angel now, but was a Ray at the time of signing. Pretty sick. Peace. Alright, good luck, Clyde. This is 09 Triple Threads again for Clyde Junglecarp. Once again, he had Kobe, the dog, pick the box for him. Let's see if it works second time through. Here we go. Actually, this would be the 3rd time that Clyde's had Kobe pick his box. First 2 are mojo. There we go. Pack number 1. Alright, Johan Santana to 525, Pedroia 525, Jackie Robinson to 99, King Felix 1350, Hanley Ramirez 1350, and the autograph is a rookie auto of Trevor Cahill. Not a bad one at all, numbered to 99, 19 of 99. Trevor Cahill is a good rook. Let's see what's next. Memorabilia pack. Alright, Joe Mauer to 525. Chipper Jones 240. Dan Heron 1350. Michael Young 1350. Jose Reyes 1350. And another Hall of Famer, Duke Snider, bat, jersey, bat, 24 of 27, Duke Snider. 97 for Phoenix.
Minute and 16 to play. You're going to hear a big sigh or a groan. That's going to be a groan. You're going to hear a big groan.
So there you go, Clyde.
That's the amount.
Yeah, we just pulled one just pretty close to that for Jose the other day. Duke Snyder, Clyde's a big-time Hall of Fame collector, so he's happy with that one. And the Trevor Cahill rookie auto. So there you go. Thanks for watching, tubers. Peace.